First, you want to draw out rough sketches of the frames you want to be animated with the brush tool. This is just a structure to help you animate between the frames without having to put a lot of detail into a single frame. Once that is finished, you can begin the line art, which is the cleaner, smoother, more detailed frame which will be used for the final GIF. The line art can look better with pen pressure if you use a drawing tablet. When the line art is complete, you can move on to the coloring process. For a quicker result, duplicate the line art layer, use the fill bucket tool to color a section, and clean it up with the brush tool. Or you can make a layer under the line art and color it in manually. To get a more movement between the frames, I duplicated some and skewed them to simulate a stretch and squash effect for momentum. To batch export the layers as individual frames, go to File, Export, and Layers to Files. Here you can choose where you want to store your frames. Change the name of the files and select the file format. I suggest using JPEG or PNG. Then it should come up with this alert saying it was successful. In Premiere Pro, you can then cut the frames together along the timeline. Then I moved around where I wanted the frames to be placed. When completed the animation, go to File, Export, and Media, and make sure the format is set to GIF, and you can choose where you want your GIF to be stored on your computer. After the export, you can go to GIF Maker to import a PNG sequence. Import your GIF's frame rate into the animation speed and click Create GIF Animation. Click Download the GIF, then you have completed making your animated GIF.